get off the roads, get off the streets, get off the sidewalks as this emergency deepens.
Tonight, New York City is shutting down the streets at 11 p.m. as the city braces for what could be a blizzard of historic proportions. Up to 3 feet of snow is predicted to blanket parts of the East Coast between now and Tuesday.
This will most likely be one of the largest blizzards in the history of New York City. I'm asking everyone to understand that and to prepare accordingly.
States of emergency have been declared. Blizzard and winter storm warnings have been issued from Maryland through Maine and into Canada. The weather system is taking aim at the Northeast. Nearly 60 million people could be affected. Crews are ready to salt roads and highways across the region. New Jersey's governor is asking residents to stay off the roads.
This is going to be a significant storm with snowfall today and into tomorrow that will create really hazardous conditions, including dangerous conditions on our roadways. So I have declared a state of emergency in New Jersey.
New York City's subway system will have limited service starting Monday evening, and if the forecast gets worse, it could be shut down completely.
This is not a storm to take lightly, and we're taking what we believe are prudent measures.
In Massachusetts, there's also concern about road conditions.
Whiteout conditions and treacherous roads will make driving anywhere extremely dangerous, starting around midnight tonight and extending through most of Tuesday.
Connecticut's governor already signed a statewide travel ban that begins at 9 p.m. tonight.
Please prepare a plan to get home this evening safely and find a place to stay through the duration of the storm.
The storm could also bring power outages and coastal flooding. Some residents are boarding up ahead of the storm.
What we want to do is we want to have protection against not only the water coming over the wall and hitting the house, but all the little stones and pebbles that oftentimes come with it.
The system is also disrupting air travel. FlightAware says thousands of flights were canceled for Monday and Tuesday. Officials say up to 70% of flights were canceled at New York area airports, and even more are likely on Tuesday. We have to point out this is an area that was hit very hard by Hurricane Sandy just a little over 2 years ago. Some of these houses kind of still boarded up and still in bad shape. There's one right there, still in bad shape from Hurricane Sandy. And as again, we're seeing the New Jersey state officials, from the police to the governor, everyone telling people stay off the roads. And if you have to go on the road and you somehow get stuck, do not leave your car on the side of the road. It's going to get towed, and it also makes it very difficult for the plows and the spreaders to do their job. It creates this cascading effect where everybody gets clogged up and stuck on these roads, Wolf. That's what they're worried about tonight.